Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nazal Fitri. I am from the English Language Study Program Class A in 2024 with ID number 240211012. Okay, I wanna explain the article journal with the title Insights to EFL Student Reading Obstacles, a qualitative case study. The authors is Muhammad Hollandia, Reni Marzulina, or corresponding author, Dian Herlina, Herizal Hikmazalifah Putri, and Hanif Al-Farizi, all from the SET Islamic University Raden Fatah Palembang, Indonesia. The purpose of this study was to investigate the difficulties faced by EFL or English as a foreign language students in understanding English reading text. The research aimed to identify the main factors used causing reading difficulties to serve as the basis for developing more effective strategies and learning intervention to improve student reading skills. The study employed a qualitative method with a case study design. The researchers collected data through semi-structured interviews and analyzed the result using thematic analysis to identify major themes that represent student reading comprehension difficulties. The researchers was conducted at Madrasah Aliyah Negeri or Manuwan Muara Enim, South Sumatra. The participants consist of 9 grade students selected using purposeful sampling based on their reading proficiency level, height, moderate, and low. The selection aimed to represent various levels of reading comprehension difficulties. Data collection. The data were collected through semi-structured interviews conducted via telephone. During the interviews, the researchers recorded the session and took notes on the student responses. And then data analysis. The data were analyzed using thematic analysis, which include several steps: collecting and preparing data, reading all data comprehensively, conducting the coding process, creating data descriptions, and explaining analytical research, and interpreting the findings. To ensure validity, member checking was used by asking participants to verify the accuracy of the findings. Major findings. The major findings revealed that EFL students face several obstacles in understanding reading text, namely, the first, lack of vocabulary; the second, low grammar mastery; the third, limited background and cultural knowledge related to the text content; the fourth, inability to apply reading strategies such as skimming, scanning, identifying main ideas, and making inferences; and the last, unappealing and lengthy reading materials that decreases motivation. All these factors contribute to student overall difficulty in comprehending reading text. And the last, connecting with relevant studies. The findings of this study are consistent with previous research. Siti Rahma Putri 2020, an analysis of the students' difficulties in reading comprehensions at MTS Al Mahrus Medan. Putri found that students frequently face problems in understanding reading text due to their limited vocabulary. They tend to guess the meaning of unfamiliar words or ask their friends, which prevent them from comprehending the full meaning of the text. The supports Hollandia et al.'s findings that lack of vocabulary is one of the main obstacles in FL student reading comprehension. Okay, I think it is enough. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.